Amaqoqo axokozele xoxa ngoxame ethubeni. Igama lami nguNofundo Mkhize, ikhaya lami Richmond kodwa sihlala lana eMaritzburg ngokusebenza. Ngisebenzela eNorthdale Hospital Pharmacy as a pharmacist. Usokhemesi kahle hle pharmacist umuntu odila kakhulu nemithi. Silekelelana nodokotela nonesi in a multidisciplinary team. Silekelela ama-patient uku-understanda i-medication yawo nezigulo zabo abanazo. Nokuthi ba-understand ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi i-medication bayithathe ngendlela efanelekile ukuze babe ngcono kwizigulo abaphethwe yizona ezahlukahlukene. Ama-studies ami ngawenza eRhodes University, which is a university in the Eastern Cape. As a pharmacist, ngi-apply in matric, kwakumele ngibe nezifundo zaka-science. So kwamele ngibe ne-maths, ngiphase with a 70% or higher pass rate ukuze ngithole a firm offer ukuthi ngizoba accepted into the degree. I-life science nayo ibalulekile, OLO izinto ey'kanjalo azibalwa-ke. Physical sciences as well, kube ama-pass mark awu-70% kuyela phezulu. It's a 4-year degree. So 4 years esikoleni niyafunda, and then after that kukhona unyaka owodwa we-internship nonyaka owodwa we-ComServe. And then you are qualified as a pharmacist once you're registered with the Pharmacy Council, South African Pharmacy Council. Working in the pharmacy, especially the department where we do pre-dispensing, lana sisiza ama-patient siwanikeze ama-medication every 6 months. So sisebenzisana nama-clinics. Uma sisebenza nabantu abaningi, ngeke ngibone mina it's a humbling experience ukusebenza nabantu abagulayo, abadala, abaqhamuka from different social aspects. Because mina mangila ngisifundiswa impilo yami nje is like a normal life. So when you meet abantu who live a normal life where they require usizo lomuntu ofundile, they humble you ukuthi kumele wehlike from isicongco sakho, from being a professional or umuntu osebenza kahulumeni, wazi ukuthi umfice kule position akuyona socially, so that i-interaction yakho naye izoba impactful empilweni yakho ukuze naye akwazi ukuthi ayinakekele kangcono, angabe ukuthi usizo lakhe kuphela uthola mesesibhedlela kuphela. But mengize esibhedlela ngizokwazi uma ngikhuluma nosokhemesi ewindini angangikhulumela isingisi angasi-understand, angichazele ngo-amlodipine nalapril angaba-understand. So it's humbling more than anything. It's to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it. Because at the end of the day, it's not about ngiyavuka ekuseni ngomsebenzini. You need to understand ukuthi i-pharmacy ikhuluma ngani. Mainly we're here to make sure that patients understand the importance of their health and the importance of taking their medication correctly, because most of our patients are on chronic medication, so kusho ukuthi lifelong angeke azayeke ukuphuza imithi yakhe ye-BP yashukela. So uma ukuthi mina ngiya-understanda ukubaluleka kwaleyo mithi leyo, kuba lula for mina ukuthi ngi-understandise omunye umuntu. So if you are looking into going into health, you must be passionate about umsebenzi wakho. Don't just do it for ngiyayenza because I need a job. Be passionate about what you're doing, so that most usuyenza uzoyi-enjoy, because the only way you can enjoy what you're doing is if you love it. My patients think medication, okay, being a pharmacist is just about uyafunda udokotela ubhalile hamba uthatha unginike. We also look at imithi eshayanisanayo, izifo ey'ningi, ushukela ne-BP kuyahambiselana. So sometimes imithi engizoyisebenzisela for i-BP izoshayanisana nemithi yashukela. So kumele ngenzele sure ukuthi azibi khona iy'nkinga when nginikeza instruction yokugcina ukuthi hamba uphuza iphilisi elilodwa lala mese mina ngizokunikeza information incorrect, because at the end of the day pharmacy is the last point of interaction esibhedlela for each and every patient ongena ngaphakathi. So mina mase ngitshela uphuza iphilisi elilodwa ekhaya uzokhohlwa yonke into engishilo, uzokhohlwa yonke into esho udokotela, yowenza lento esho mina. So they think it's just quick and easy, like ukubhala udokotela ku-correct. Yes, ku-correct, but I need to make sure that our camera interactions akushayanisani lutho, so that next time for your next appointment uyabuya hayi ukuthi leli philisi engikunikeze lona selikubulele ekhaya. Ama-patient awajivamisile ukuhlekisa, uhlele ne-stress. Courtesy 1, to be polite and considerate in our behavior, treating our patients with respect, information, giving out all of the information that is necessary, because lana sidila ngemithi and the patient malingazi ukuthi lizophuza kanjani imithi yalo. I am the one who's responsible for making sure that they understand each and everything about the medication, so that uzoqhubekela ayithathe ekhaya angayeki ngoba engayazi ukuthi yani. Because amabhokisi ethu ayashintsha njalo, and if it was red last time and it's yellow this time, they might think nginezinto wrong. So kumele njalo uma efika ngisho ukuthi kusayilona lela bhokisi ukuthi kushintshe ukhala noma kushintshe inkampani. So in the pharmacy, it's very important to ensure that information is shared, and then openness and transparency is also very important for me.